Hi there, it's just Daisy. I'm documenting life because life is short. Today is a usual day and I have duty. Closing shift nga ako ngayon and after ko nga maligo, kumain na rin ako and starting preparing myself. I start with a simple makeup look kasi kailangan namin yun sa work. Yeah, nasa customer service industry tayo kaya we have to present ourselves decently and professionally. I really love doing makeup. It's really transforming, not in a literal way ha. I mean, it transforms the mood or the vibe. While doing my makeup story time lang ha. Kahapon kasi nagkakwentuhan kami ng friend. She was asking kung ipupursue pa kaya niya yung business niya. Magto 2 years na kasi since the year na nag-graduate kami. 2023 kami graduate and now we're pursuing different paths. At first, nag-apply ako as a call center agent for 2 months. Naging manager ng isang local restaurant dito sa amin. And now more than 1 year na ako nag-work dito sa Greenwich as a manager. Well, my friend, she was really pursuing her business. Businesses really has its up and down. Especially kapag nag-start pa yan. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, na-start mo na yan, you just really have to sustain it. It's not necessarily to realize your progress day by day. Because soon, in perfect time, with God's permit, you'll come to find and realize how things work for you. Kaya kung ikaw at nandyan ka pa rin na nakikinig, pakinggan mo to. Whatever things that you are doing right now, pursue it. Kasi that's just an era and a season na kailangan nating pagdaanan sa buhay. If you envision yourself for something great, you have to learn to undergo the meanest thing. Because soon, that will define the grandest thing that will come into your life. Anyways, going back to my day. So, here I am at work. It's around 7 p.m. na and I was not exposing too much of my work. Ayan, naka-on floor ako kanina. Kasi as a manager, all around ka talaga yan dyan. So, sa mga ganitong oras, wala na masyadong customers. And nagpe-pre-closing na rin yung sa kitchen and sa dining. So, yeah, kailangan ko umupo dito at gawin ng mga ibang bagay. Sa pagiging manager, kailangan mo talagang balansehin talaga lahat. Kailangan mo mag-multitask and kailangan talaga nakalista lahat ng gagawin mo. Or else may mga makakaligtaan ka talaga. So, now, I'm doing a marketing thing. And since pa-closing na nga tayo, I have to manage things better. Since Saturday nga ngayon, wala yung SC namin, yung senior crew namin. So, yeah, it's my turn to clean. May naalala lang talaga ako dito sa paglilinis. Nung nasa call center pa kasi talaga ako, ayaw akong mag-resign ng mga TL. And grabe yung pag-describe nila sa akin na hindi ka namin ma-imagine na magpupush brush ka dyan. On around ka talaga dyan. Mahirap mag-manage ng tao. All discouragement ginawa nila para hindi talaga ako mag-resign. Pero grabe yung passion ko sa field na kung saan kasi ako. Hindi ko naman din talaga to pinili. Actually, lahat ng meron ako, lahat ng kung saan ako. Si Lord talaga ang naglagay sa akin. Like, believe me or not, wala pa akong pinagsisihan sa buhay because it's one of my principles na everything is God's time. So, yan, pauwi na ako and that's all for today. Bye for now. See you on my next vlog. Bye!